some questions about this lathe. Not too familiar with lathes in general, but wasn't sure if this was a clutch for this pulley, but it looks like it would line up. If you just turn a little more, this would seat these two plates together. So every time I just barely nick this part, it'll stop this chuck dead. But my pulley here keeps spinning. So I can spin this, my chuck's spinning. When I spin these together, they both spin. As soon as I turn the lathe on, I'll show you. So any help would be very much appreciated on how I can get this to actually turn something. Thanks.